Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to review some colored contact lenses, and I haven't reviewed any contact lenses in my channel yet, so this is going to be the first and I'm very excited. This is actually a brand that I have never tried. This is going to be the first time that I'm gonna wear the contact lenses from them, and this is by the brand EllieCoo. Do you guys see that? EllieCoo. Saw their shop on Shopee, so I was really intrigued. It's so nice that along with each of the contact lenses you get free contact lens case set. So you have the contact lenses case, and then you have the tools to apply your contact lenses. You have that little thong there, and then that tool you use to put your contact lenses on. I ordered the shade gray, coffee brown, and green. So okay, I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and get started. By the way, these are graded lenses. They have so many choices for each variant, and they just have so many colors to choose from. Whether you're looking for graded lenses or just plain lenses without grade, they have it all for you. So I'm just gonna put the link where I got this from in the description box below. The grade of my eyes is super high. I have 475 and 425. I'm going to remove the cases so that they're ready for when I'm gonna start. You have the contact lens case here. Thong here, and then that thing that you use to put your contact lenses on. I'm gonna grab my contact lens solution if I can find. So the one that I use is this one. It's from Opti-Free. This is the Replenish Enhanced Comfort. This is the one that I use. I find that this is more comfortable than the previous one that I was using. I think we're gonna start with the green one since this is what I'm so excited for. By the way, their packaging, oh my gosh, their packaging is super cute. It has these flowers, super cute. It says here soft hydrophilic contact lenses, flower, half yearly disposable. So this is also an unboxing video. Okay, these look kind of big. I don't think this is like for the usual size that I use. You usually get the 14mm size, but this is 14.5. Yeah, this is the green one, and I think this is going to make my pupil look big. Yeah, so yeah, it's both 425. Yeah, let's just go ahead and put this on. The liquid where they store this might not be good for your eyes. Like, I mean, you can use it if you want, but if you have eye irritation, might as well use your own contact lens solution. So I'm just gonna open this. It's kind of hard to open. I'm just glad that this didn't come in the glass packaging. Okay, I have clean hands right now. So this is how I put on my contact lens. Put it on. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it definitely made my eyes look big. Oh my gosh, what do you think? Look. It made my eyes big.
Whoa. It's green?
Green.
Oh.
But it made my eyes big. Look at the difference.
Can I see?
Is this scary or what?
No, you can see clear?
Yeah. It has it's graded contact lenses. But yeah, this is the big one. This is actually the biggest contact lens that I've ever purchased. I actually didn't know that it was this big. And if I knew, I'm not gonna buy it. I need to get used to this. But yeah, so this is the green one. But the other one, this is too big for me. Ooh. Honestly, I'm not used to this size. It looks different. Look, I have both on.
Whoa, your eyes big now.
Why? I didn't know it's gonna be this big. 14.5mm. I look weird, honestly. I mean, the color looks nice. It's green, definitely. It has some brown in it, if you guys can see. But is it too dark? Let's see. I mean, it has some brown in it for sure, but definitely made my eyes look bigger. I mean, it's very, very comfortable. Let me just say that it feels super comfortable on the eyes. This is actually the most comfortable contact lenses I've worn for the very first time, because usually if I wear contact lenses the very first time, it's going to feel very uncomfortable. But this one didn't feel uncomfortable. Like, I don't feel like I'm wearing any lenses on right now. It's really nice. But yeah, this is the green one. We're gonna move on to the next colors. If you guys want to see how I remove it, I just basically do this and then just lightly pinch. I don't even push my eyes or anything, and it just comes off. I'm gonna move on to the gray one. I'm actually really excited for the gray one. Oh, I hope this is not big. Oh my gosh, this is actually bigger. What's the size of this? No, actually it's the same, but it looks so big. When you look at it from the packaging, it looks so big. Why didn't I read the label there? I was not reading when I saw the post. But I never really go for the like the doll eyes lenses. I want like the original size. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this looks good. But it, like I said, it makes my eyes look big. I just ate chicken with vinegar and I still have a little bit of like vinegar residue on my hand. And it's not a good idea, I think, to apply your contact lenses with that on your hand. It's really comfortable, guys. And the grade is perfect for me. Yeah, I can see very well. There's nothing blurry around me. It's very clear. Like, everything's super clear. I feel like I have 20/20 vision right now, which is great. I actually like the color. I just wish the lenses are just 40 millimeter. So big. Yeah, so this is the lenses. I swear I look like a 5-year-old child with these lenses. Ooh. Like, I really look like a child, don't I? I look like a 5-year-old kid. Right?
No.
You know when kids are like 1 to 2 years old, they have moon eyes? Moon-eyed. That's why kids are called moon-eyed childs, because their pupils are big when they're young. I'm removing the shine from my face because I feel like I'm super oily. Not oily. I forgot to contour my nose, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. We're just reviewing contact lenses. And I'm looking at my viewfinder right now and it looks so different. Really, I just want to laugh at my face. I don't know if I look ridiculous or it looks nice. I know that a lot of people love doll eyes, the doll eyes effect, but I don't know, I need to get used to this. I thought this was the size that I was looking for, but it's really not. But yeah, this is the gray one. It has a brown mixed with the gray. It's like a ring there. But yeah, this is the gray one. I actually like it. I like the color. Nice. And again, it feels so comfortable. I'm definitely gonna use this. Last, we have the shade, we have coffee brown. So yeah, I haven't used a brown contact lens in the longest time. I think the last one I tried is from EO. I think that was autumn brown. They look really shocking. I look at them first in the packaging because I'm very, very used to the lens that I use without any black. This one has like a ring, a black ring there. Yeah, this looks kind of dark. I mean, if this was the size that I'm looking for, it would have been a really good everyday lens. But I don't want to go out like this. I don't know if I can go out like this in public. I'm still really not used to it. Maybe I need to get used to it more. Can I go out like this in public with this eyes? Huh?
Yeah.
I can? What about with one contact lens on only?
Why are your eyes red?
I have vinegar in my hand, so I can feel it on my eyes. But it's not from the lenses. The lenses are super comfortable. I'm just gonna open this because it's so hard. First time you wear contact lenses, the liquid inside, it's a little strong. You have to use your own solution, but it feels comfortable, guys. Like I may look like I'm in pain, but I'm not. It's really comfortable, really. Yeah, I may look like I'm in pain. It's because of the struggle of putting this on. Well, I didn't really struggle, but yeah, like I said, I'm usually not comfortable with the liquid that comes in the original packaging, but everything's super clear. I'm not dizzy. That's the important thing. I don't feel anything on my eyes, to be honest. And that's a good thing, because the last thing that you want from contact lens is to feel it on your eyes, scratching your eyes. So yeah, I think this is the first time I felt super comfortable wearing contact lenses, and mainly because of the grade. My other eye is actually 4.75. It already comes with 2-in-1 pack, so it already comes with two 4.25 contact lenses. So if you have different grade for your eyes, you're gonna have to get a different box for this. You're gonna get 2 pairs if you have different grade for each eye. Okay guys, so this is coffee brown. It looks super natural. It actually looks like my original eye color, and if this is called coffee brown, then my original eye color is coffee brown, because my original eyes look like this. Those are all the colors that I got from this brand. Again, this is the brand EllieCoo. So I really can't wait to test out their other contact lenses, because I'm almost blind without glasses or contact lens, and whenever I'm filming, I really need to wear contact lenses, and that is a must for me to wear, because I can't do makeup looks or makeup tutorials when I'm wearing glasses. So I always need to have at least 2 to 3 pairs of contact lenses, depends on what makeup look I'm doing. But the color I always choose is color gray, because that's the one that looks best on me. But if you guys love dull eyes, 14.5mm contact lenses, then you're definitely going to love these. These are so comfortable, very affordable. They're really good lenses. I don't see anything wrong with them. They feel exactly the same as every contact lens brand that I've ever tried. I've tried Fresh Looks, I've tried EO, I've tried so many different brands, but they all feel the same for me. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what contact lens brand you guys use. I'm really interested to know. Maybe I can check it out and find one for myself. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time.